Hello, my Gateway friends. I've got some great songs for us to sing this week. You know, my Aunt Linda likes it when she can see the words. She complained in one of our sing-alongs that she didn't know the words to sing. So now, hey, Aunt Linda, the words are here for you. And families, they're here to, maybe it'll make it easier. These are folk songs. Just songs folks know how to sing. Some are probably songs that a lot of people in your family will know. Maybe there'll be a new one in here for you. We're going to start today with Mr. Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so they can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. On this page, we don't even sing the words. We just kind of hum or do-do-do on the melody, don't we? Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do, these little children are asking you to please come out so they can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. All right, up next, I Am a Pizza, one of my favorites. This is more of an echo song. I don't know if your families will know this, friends. You might have to teach them. Kindergartners, this one's going to be pretty new for you. I know second graders will rock this. A few of you first graders might remember it too. It's kind of sad, friends, so be tough. I am a pizza.
I am a pizza
With extra cheese.
with extra cheese
From tomatoes.
from tomatoes,
Sauces squeezed.
sauces squeezed,
Onions and mushrooms.
onions and mushrooms,
Oregano.
oregano.
And this part we sing together. I am a pizza ready to go. I am a pizza,
I am a pizza,
pepperoni,
pepperoni,
no anchovies,
no anchovies,
or phony bologna.
or phony bologna.
I am a pizza,
I am a pizza,
order by phone.
order by phone.
I am a pizza, please take me home. I am a pizza,
I am a pizza,
peppers on top,
peppers on top,
out of the oven,
out of the oven,
into the box,
into the box,
into the car and
into the car and
upside down.
upside down.
I am a pizza, dropped on the ground. I was a pizza,
I was a pizza,
I was the best.
I was the best.
I was a pizza, now I'm a mess. Poor pizza. Oh, 5 green and speckled frogs. Certainly an oldie and a goodie. 5 green and speckled frogs. Where did they go? Where did they go? 5 green and speckled frogs. Where did they go? Where did they go? 5 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 4 green and speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum. He one jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 3 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 3 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 2 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 2 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there was 1 green speckled frog. Glub, glub. 1 green and speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were no green speckled frogs. Oh, the poor froggies. Those glasses on the log always worry me. We are going to end today, friends, with one of the best of the best of the best. I know this is a favorite for a few of you out there. I hope you enjoy Down by the Bay. Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a goose kissing a moose down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a whale with the polka dotted tail down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a fly wearing a tie down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a bear combing his hair down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see llamas eating their pajamas down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever have a time when you couldn't make a rhyme? Down by the bay. Friends, if you just can't get enough of Down by the Bay, come up with some more rhymes of your own. Maybe you put in the, did you ever see a carrot? Oh, a parrot eating on a carrot. Did you ever see a snake baking a cake? Maybe you come up with your own amazing rhymes and keep this song going. If you really like 5 green and speckled frogs, think of another animal and a place where they might be. And you could have 5 brown and bouncy bunnies. I don't know where they would be. It might be kind of hard to come up with a rhyme, but I bet if you put some time into it, you could make your very own song. Thanks for singing with me, friends. Stay healthy, stay safe, keep making music.